This is the EA150B air cushion machine, 13 feet per minute, and it works with all different kinds of films. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own, and my opinion is this thing's pretty cool. Came packaged really solidly, all in styrofoam, so it'll arrive safe. And when you get this, you're going to get about a 5-foot long power cable. You get a spare parts kit that comes with it. Everything you need to know is in this manual. And you get a free roll of test film that comes with it. The machine itself weighs just under 5 pounds. It's super lightweight. Has 2 little cutouts here on the bottom, so it's easy to move around. And at around 18 inches long and about 8 inches at its widest point right here, it's super easy to store away on a shelf or wherever you want. On the bottom here, it has 4 little rubber textured feet to keep it from sliding around. But let me tell you what I really like about this one. It has some really cool features on it. First of all, no preheating required. Just turn it on and go. One of the features on this that I really like is that it has a timer on it that you can set. Now, obviously, you don't want something with heating parts on it to run nonstop. But you can set this one to run from 1 minute to 2 hours, I believe. So another thing, you can adjust the temperature of the hot melt film right here, up and down. You can adjust for sealing issues or different types of materials, simple as that. Reasons you might need to change the temperature or, the temperature of the room that you're in or the type of material that you're using. Another thing too is on this side, you can adjust the air volume. It's important to be able to adjust the airflow because with this machine, you can use all different types of films. I have 3 different types here, and one of them, this large one, needs the airflow adjusted higher because it's obviously a lot larger than these other ones. So let me show you how easy this is to use. This is the test film that you get with it. One side on the bottom has a little cutout right here that you're going to put over this nipple right here. It's so simple. You just set it on there, get it set in there. Just open that up on the bottom there and place it right up against the drive wheel. With the smaller one, I've got the temperature adjusted to 11 and I've got the air adjusted to 10. So might need to help it through. Look at that, simple as that. That's perfect for what I'm looking for right there. So I know I've got it set right. I'm gonna leave the temperature the same because I know it's sealing good. I'm gonna run that airflow up to about 35 on this one because it's larger. Look at that, there we go. And this is perfect for me for wrapping guitars up with. I love this stuff. Another cool thing about this machine too is if you need to get inside of here, to blow it out every once in a while, it's just 2 screws on both sides here. And you just lift it up and you have total access in here. So that's how easy this thing is to use. So this machine's lightweight, it's versatile, it's pretty compact, easy to store away. Something like this would be great for small businesses, your online business, great for shipping larger items that you want to protect, like my guitars, for instance. And I love it.